is Jessica Pretty, and my role on the cruise is to run 2 individual instruments. Each of them use photographs of some sort in order to describe particles that are in the water column. My 2 instruments are mounted on the CTD, which stands for conductivity, temperature, and depth, which are 3 of the primary things that we oceanographers like to measure. Pretty much every oceanographic cruise is going to have a CTD, and then lots of other people, like myself, like to put other instruments alongside the CTD so we can get extra information about everything that's in the water column. So my research expertise is particle size structure, describing the sizes of anything that's not dissolved in the water column, and then trying to describe different features about it. So that might be whether it's just a fluffy sort of amorphous, it doesn't really have a real shape. If I just say it's fluffy or gelatinous, or maybe it's a living thing and I can identify what that living thing is. Both living and non-living things are considered particles just because they're not dissolved. So we're trying to describe the any type of the patterns that we might see between both living things and non-living things in the ocean. So biodiversity can tell us a lot about what is happening in an ecosystem. An environment that has a greater amount of biodiversity is probably going to be able to sort of bounce back from any challenges that it faces, versus an environment with lower biodiversity. It might be harder for the population there, for the creatures there, to be able to withstand any changes that they'll come across. So that's one of the main reasons to study. I really like to get to see just all of these different areas. Right now we're not seeing that much other than the open ocean, but a lot of the times we get to see places that no one else really gets to go to. They're either hard to access, or there's just no other reason to go there other than to try to investigate this part of the ocean. So I think it's pretty amazing that we get to go places and see things that most other people don't get to.